Hi guys, welcome back to Ballroom for an exciting Fitness Friday. It is week 2. We're doing our Salsa January challenge. So if you haven't yet, pause this video, go learn all of the little videos, the shorts that we did this week in the salsa, so you can keep up on today's video. That being said, let's clear some space, grab some comfortable shoes, and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, ready? Starting with our forward and back basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Just warming it up. Hopefully we know all the steps. Okay. Do you guys remember your right turn? Basic. Right turn. One more. Excellent. Okay, let's do our side basic. Out, in, out, in. Good. Last one. We go back to our base. Okay, one more move. Let's do our Suzy Q. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Good. Basic. Right turn. Basic. Right turn. Basic. Out. Out. Suzy Q. Basic, good. Right turn. Basic, good. Another one. Good. Side basic. Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Basic. Right turn. Basic. Right turn. To the side. Get ready for those Suzy Qs. Let's double it up. Back to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, basic, good. Sorry to switch it up, guys. You did good. Okay, turn. Turn. Side. Let's do our side and cross. Basic. Suzy Q, 1, 2, 3. Quick, quick, slow. Basic. Right turn, you know it. Basic, you got it. Right turn. Side. Suzy Q. Quick, quick, slow. Basic. Right turn. Again. Side. Suzy Q, let's do it. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. last one. Okay guys, hope you liked this video. Hope it was easier with learning the shorts throughout the week and then putting it into a combo. That way it's not as fresh. You can kind of dance along with me and it's a little bit easier. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up so we know. And if you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroomfree.com. We have all of our content hosted on there, all ad-free and instant access. We also have more content, so just go ahead and check it out for yourselves. That being said, we'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.